In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get cash advance from PayPal Credit 2025 Full Guide. Let's start with the most important point. PayPal Credit does not support traditional cash advances. That means you can't use it for ATM withdrawals, bank cash outs, convenience checks, or anything that turns your available credit directly into cash. PayPal Credit is a revolving purchase line meant strictly for buying things where PayPal is accepted. If you try to send money to yourself, move it to your bank, or otherwise convert credit to cash, the transaction will be declined or blocked. So what can you do if you truly need cash? You have two legitimate paths. First, consider using a different credit card that explicitly supports cash advances. Many banks offer this, but be careful. Cash advances usually come with higher fees, a higher APR, and interest that starts accruing immediately with no grace period. Check your card's terms, limits, and any ATM PIN requirements before you proceed, and only take what you can pay back quickly. Second, if you have money sitting in your PayPal balance, you can move those existing funds to your bank or an eligible debit card and then withdraw them like normal. This is not a cash advance, it's simply transferring your own money. To do this, open PayPal on the web or in the app, go to your balance, and select Transfer Funds. Choose your linked bank account or an instant transfer to a supported debit card, enter the amount, review any fees and processing times, and confirm. Standard transfers may take a couple of business days, while instant transfers usually arrive within minutes for a small fee. Once the funds reach your bank or debit card, you can withdraw cash at an ATM or in-branch as you normally would. A quick warning to keep you safe: do not attempt workarounds to turn PayPal Credit into cash, such as sending money to yourself or a friend with the intent to cash it out. This violates PayPal's policies and can lead to declined transactions, penalties, or account limitations. Always follow the terms of service to keep your account in good standing. To recap, PayPal Credit isn't designed for cash advances. If you need cash, use a card that officially supports them, or transfer your existing PayPal balance to your bank and withdraw. That's the clean, compliant way to get funds when you need them, without risking your account.